Hi everyone, it's Melanie here from the Pelham Public Library. Welcome to another craft session. And today we are going to be making suet bird feeders with mason jar lids. And all of this is going to be included in the craft kit that you will be able to pick up at our library branches. But before we get started, I just wanted to let you know we have a number of great resources here at the library. If you enjoy today's crafts and are enjoying bird watching, you will enjoy some of the books from the Field Guide to Ontario Birds, Backyard Guides to Birds, Field Notes from an Unintentional Birder, and many other books. You can either ask for them at curbside or go onto our website and put them on hold. Before we get started, I would just like to add this disclaimer. For anybody that has any peanut allergies, our bird seed mix does contain peanuts. Here's the kit that you'll be getting from the library. In your kit, you will have a bag with bird seed and flour and gelatin, your canning ring, your twine for hanging your suet bird feeder, and a small container with water and light corn syrup. So you're going to need a small bowl or Pyrex dish. You're going to take your bag with the bird seed and your dry ingredients and put it in the bowl. Next, take your container with your water and corn syrup and pour it in. Then you're going to grab a spoon and you're going to mix it all together thoroughly. It's going to get sticky, and that's what we're looking for. The gelatin and the flour give a base to the bird seed to keep it all together. Next, you're going to grab your canning ring and you're going to take your twine and do a double knot at the top and bottom of your ring. I usually knot it twice at the ring to make sure that it is secure. I've given you a fair bit of twine just so you have a long length for hanging your suet bird feeder from your tree or any other hanger. Turn the canning lid upside down and take your spoon and start filling the canning ring. You want to fill the canning ring until it's level with the top of the lid. I also pack it down as I go, so as not to waste any of the seed. You can also take this opportunity to decorate your suet if you have any Cheerios or other grain cereals that you would like to add to your feeder. I've packed down the bird seed with my hands one last time, and through the magic of television, 12 hours later to 24 hours later, your suet will dry, and this is what your final bird feeder, your suet feeder, will look like. If you haven't done a knot at the top, you can do so now, and then you'll be able to take it outside to hang. I'm going to include a recipe because your kit allows you to make one suet feeder, but this recipe actually allows you to do 12. So included in the description below, if you would like to make more and share with family and friends, we will have that in the description bar, the entire recipe. Enjoy and happy bird watching.